Hey guys, this is Hamza and today I'm going to explain you alpha beta pruning technique of artificial intelligence. So guys, it is very important topic and it asked in university exams and many students makes mistakes in this topic. So I'm writing the formula of alpha beta pruning, which is alpha is greater than equal to beta. So guys, I'm explaining you this formula in couple of minutes. So write it this condition and write it guys. In here alpha is our maximizer which have initial value is minus infinity, and beta is our minimizer which have the value is infinity initial value. These are the initial values of alpha and beta, on which behalf we will compare the other values. So guys, in alpha beta pruning technique we have the labels and we have the constant labels, like first label is considered as a maximum, second label is minimum, third label is again maximum, fourth label is minimum. So as on same as on the sequence will be continued. So I have to write on each level alpha is equals to minus infinity and beta is infinity. The last level is maximum, so I have to write here also alpha is equals to minus infinity, beta is equals to infinity. So another leave node I have to write same alpha minus infinity, beta infinity. Yes. So guys, I wrote it and I told you their maximum and minimum, their labels, and their same sequence will be continued if I have another labels. Then I am in maximum label, so I have alpha value. So maximum is alpha, so 50 I will check the alpha value. So 50 is maximum or minus infinity is maximum? So definitely 50 is maximum. Again check 50 is maximum or 40 is maximum with another note. So yes, 50 is maximum, so I will rewrite the alpha value, so it become 50. Yes, 50. So now I will go to upper level, which is minimum, and in minimum we consider beta which is our minimizer, and minimizer initial value is infinity, on which behalf we will check the node values. So infinity is minimum or 50 is minimum? Definitely 50. So I will rewrite the beta value and it become 50. Yes, but I will not write in this circle because I have another leave node to traverse. So here I am again here in a maximum level, so I will check with alpha because alpha is our maximizer, and beta value here, beta value will become 50. So in maximum level, yes, check minus infinity is maximum or 70 is maximum? Definitely 70 is maximum. So guys, here check guys, minus infinity or 70. So in minus infinity is maximum, 17th maximum, basically 70 is maximum. So guys, here give all your consideration carefully. Alpha value becomes 70. Here condition is true because alpha is greater than or equal to beta. Whenever the condition is true, we will prune the other nodes. Prune means we will cut the other nodes and we will not traverse or explore these nodes. Okay guys, so here I am in maximum level, so I will write maximum value, which is alpha value 70. I will write 70 here, and I will go in upper level, so we will check minimum value. 50 is minimum or 70 is minimum? Definitely 50 is minimum, so I will write beta value 50, and in circle we will write 50. Then we will go to upper level, which is called maximum level. So here I will check the condition, minus infinity is bigger or 50 is bigger? Definitely 50 is bigger or maximum, so I will consider 50, but I will not write it in circle because I have another two leave nodes to traverse. Now here I will again write this condition, these key points, which is alpha is equals to alpha become 50 and beta is infinity. Alpha is 50, beta is infinity. Write it also here. So guys, here I'm in maximum level. Here's a very important point I'm telling you. Alpha is 50 and node value is 30. Okay guys, so what is bigger value? 50 is bigger value definitely, but 50 is not present in this node, so I will not write 50 here. I cannot write 50 here because 50 is not present here. This node only has one value, which is 30. So I will write only 30 here. Okay guys, and I will consider upper level. Now we consider upper level, which is minimum, and beta value is infinity is minimum, or 30 is minimum. Basically 30 is minimum. Now here guys, here condition is true where alpha is bigger greater than or equal to beta, because 30 alpha value is 50 and beta value is 30. I will prune the next node and I will not traverse it. Now I'm going to third node, which is the last one. So here I will also write the formula, so I will check my previous calculations. Yes, it correct. So yes, alpha is equals to 50 and beta is equals to infinity. Beta will not be considered as 30, beta will be, yes, beta is infinity. Alpha is 50 and beta is infinity. Now I will rewrite it again here. For maximum level, alpha is 50 and beta is infinity. So guys, I will check the condition. 50 is greater for alpha because I'm in maximum level. 50 is greater or 20? Definitely 50 is greater. So I will write 20 because 50 is not present here in this node. So now if I go to the upper level, which is minimum, so infinity is minimum or 20 is minimum? Definitely 20 is minimum. So beta will become 20, and here condition is true, which is alpha is greater than equal to beta. And then I will prune or cut the next node. I will not traverse it, and it be a circle become 20 and 30. And now I will check among three which is the largest and maximum value, because I have to write in the upper level, which is maximum, and there is a 50. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and keep watching me. Thank you.